Alright, we're going to start by first logging into your student portal. Once you're logged into your student portal, this is the page that should pop up. In the top right corner, if you click on these tiles and you go down to all applications, it will load up the next screen. Once that loads, we are looking for the eTutoring application right here. Once we click on that, it'll open this login page. If you're already logged into your student portal, you should be able just to click on student login, and it should already have you logged into the eTutoring. If you look right here, it'll tell you what tutors are online currently. As you can see, we have a couple of accounting, math, statistics, and it's very specific as to what subjects these tutors are specializing in. There's also a tutor schedule down below that. You can scroll through and see if the class that you need help in, what time and what professor or tutor is teaching that lesson or helping to tutor on that day or time. Right over here you have the writing lab. You can submit a paper that you've written to the writing lab. It usually takes them about 24 hours to review your submission, and you can also look at your past submissions that you've sent into them. Basically, this is just to look over papers before you submit them to your professor. There's announcements here. It's simple announcements about what kind of files you can upload, and just important things before you upload, say, something into the writing lab or ask a question or something like that. This is a good thing to read when you come into here. There's also these tabs up here link you to these other areas here, just in broader terms, where you can post a new question. This question, if you post it on here, you can click a subject, and then any tutor or that looks can answer your question on there, and you can have a discussion about it. This is a link to the writing lab where you can actually see your submissions, create a new submission to them. You can kind of see whether it's pending, if they've been submitted, if it's been successfully submitted and you're just waiting for a tutor to get back to you. If you click on the resources tab here, there is plenty of options here for different classes. For example, this accounting class has some resources online that you can go to and help you with studying online, beyond just the tutors that are here in the schedule up here. It is just a further breakdown of what tutors are going to be online on what day, and that specific day where you're looking for tutoring. Say you have a test coming up on the 10th and you want to study on the 7th. You click, you highlight that day. Say you are taking a biology class and you need help in biology, and you prefer Rachana K as your preferred tutor. You can update that. You can see that on that day she is not going to be tutoring, so sadly you're going to have to choose somebody else that might be available that day.